As we approach the fall and winter months, health officials are warning about a potential rise in respiratory illnesses, including COVID-19. Now, despite COVID no longer being a public health emergency, doctors warn it's still a threat. Hunter King has more on what you need to know.
Health experts are urging Central Georgians to stay cautious with flu and COVID season fast approaching. COVID-19, while no longer at the pandemic level, is still very much present.
It is something that can still affect communities. It can still definitely impact those that are medically fragile, those that have pre-existing chronic medical conditions.
Michael Hackinson with the Georgia Department of Public Health North Central District says free at-home COVID-19 tests are still available at all local health departments. But the newly FDA-approved vaccine formula has yet to arrive.
We do not have it yet. As soon as we have it and it is available for clients to receive that vaccine, we will be pushing out information about how people can get that vaccine.
At Piedmont-Macon Medical Center, doctors are preparing for another possible COVID spike. They don't expect it to be as severe as it was early in the pandemic.
The severe COVID and how bad it was during the pandemic, I think that's a period we've passed, thankfully.
Dr. Samir Erfan says people can manage many COVID cases at home with supportive care like over-the-counter meds, isolating, and hydrating. But people at higher risk should seek medical attention.
You know, you're feeling really short of breath, you're having trouble speaking in full sentences, you can't walk significantly a couple steps without losing your breath. I think those are definitely patients that should be seen in the emergency department.
Both recommend flu and COVID vaccines as a precaution this season, but they do urge you to wait for the new Pfizer and Moderna COVID boosters in the coming weeks. In Bibb County, Hunter King, 13 WMAZ News.
The Georgia Department of Health says you can call your local health department and get free at-home tests, but supplies are limited. The Biden administration next month will relaunch a program for every American to order free COVID-19 tests through the mail.